Hey, what's up everyone? Back again with another video. This is the first mod that I'm doing to my new car. For those of you who haven't seen my previous video, I have a 2021 Scat Pack Charger. So the first thing we'll be doing today is removing the Dodge letters from the back of the car. So I'm going for that clean, sleek look in the back. The next thing I'm going to be doing, which is the next video, is what I'm trying to say, will be tinting the taillights. So stay tuned for that one. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss it. So as far as what you're going to need, very simple, very minimal. I'm going to show you guys right now what you need to do this simple mod. So all you're going to need to do this is microfiber cloth, a credit card of some sort. Don't have to be Home Depot. Most importantly, you're going to need a heat gun or a blow dryer will work. So some source of heat. Like I said, most of you I know have a blow dryer in your home. And then some Goo Gone that we will use at the end. And a lot of the times people are going to tell you that you need something such as floss or fishing string. But for this particular thing we're doing in the back, don't worry about this. You don't need that. This is going to do just fine. First things first, all of the videos I've seen as far as removing the Dodge lettering, even though you think these guys are doing it right, they're really not. Because the first step should always be to make sure you have a clean surface. And these guys, I watch these videos and it looks like they just went through a hurricane, sat outside a dust storm, and it's terrible. We got watermarks, debris, dust, all that stuff, and then they're going ahead and just rubbing their cloths and doing what they think is right, and that's not. So please guys, before you start this, make sure you have a clean surface. Grab your waterless wash, your spray, whatever it is you use. Just make sure you have a clean surface. As you can see, it's shiny. There is no debris or anything like that. So make sure that's clean, guys. Don't be cringe and don't be one of those guys. Just grab your heat gun or your blow dryer, either one that you have. Make sure it works. I haven't used this in a while, but it's good to have in case you guys don't have one. So what we're gonna do is put some heat. We're gonna start letter by letter, and I'm not gonna show you guys every letter because it's the same thing. But you're gonna apply some heat on your first letter. So the thing is, you don't wanna have the heat sitting on it because then you might cause some warp or whatever it is around the letter, and you might even do some discoloration on the black on the paint, and you don't want that. So don't hold it there, kind of go back and forth. And I'm actually going to put it on medium, or in this case it's low. I'm just stopping really quick to touch it. Oh yeah, that's hot. That's hot. Let me do like 5 more seconds. And now I'm gonna see if I could go ahead and just tug it a bit. Well, it's actually a little hot, so you wanna cool down a bit. Oh yeah, that thing's already lifting up. Okay, so this is where the credit card is gonna come in handy. So I have my card in the microfiber, and I'm just gonna wrap the microfiber, and I'm just gonna try to see if I could get underneath here. Yeah, look at that. That's already coming off. So easy. Oh my gosh, look how easy that is. There's that. That's simple, guys. That literally took like 10 seconds. I'm gonna do the other letters, and then once I get to the last one, I'll show you how it looks. So the next thing we're gonna do is remove the residue and adhesive that's left from the lettering. Let's go ahead and show them really quick. So as you can see, a little residue, some adhesive there. Obviously not all of it was taken out. So we're using Goo Gone now. Sprayer is not working. I'm gonna apply some to the microfiber cloth. Just enough to soak it, as you can see. Get close to this. So I'm just gonna let it sit there for a bit, kind of let it soak a bit. You don't want it to be there too long because you don't want it sitting on the plastic. Look at that. As you can see, it's all gone. You don't even see any residue. It was very simple. Now I just have the other letters to do, and I will do that next, and then once I'm done with that, I'll show you how it looks. All right, so I went ahead and applied the Goo Gone. Let me show you guys really quick. It's wet because obviously the Goo Gone's fresh and I just took it off, but you don't see anything. No lettering, no adhesive, no nothing. Go ahead and get some sprayer or detail spray and put it on your microfiber cloth. I'm just gonna go from one end, just kind of. Like I said, the surface is already clean. So like I said, I didn't want you guys to be like one of those guys that did this without having a clean car or a clean surface. Now I'm just gonna grab my softer microfiber, make sure there's no streaks or anything like that. Looks like we're done, guys. All right, everyone, so that's the end of that. One last look. As you can see, it looks a lot more sleek, and once I tint the taillights, which is gonna be the next video, it's gonna look even better. It's gonna kind of have that, just that black bar across the whole back. So yeah, guys, please like and subscribe. I hope this helped you out a bit. And like I said, it's a little quick, inexpensive mod for you to do. You're not purchasing anything other than the little materials that you'll need, but that you probably already have. Please smash that like and subscribe button, and I can't wait for all the new mods and all the new how-tos I'm gonna show you guys.